Using Pinterest for Amazon affiliate marketing is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser and then search here for Amazon affiliate program. Then you have to click on this First Inc. After this, you have to create your account first. After this, you can see that my Amazon affiliate marketing dashboard is open. Here you can see that there are many products are listed. Even you can search here for your favorite product. Let's suppose I search here for water bottle. And here you can see that there are many water bottles are available to sell. You can also see that the prices here are very low. But you have to focus on the prices of the water bottle because you are going to sell this water bottle higher than this price. Next, you can see that many filters on the left side of the screen. You also select the brand from this section. And you can also select the price range of the water bottle. And next, you can also select names, materials, and item shapes. And even if you want to search for style, you can also search easily. So, let's suppose I want to select this one and I want to sell this water bottle. You can see that it's opening here. And here you can read all the description about this item. You can see that its price is $14.97. Let's suppose I want to promote this product. So, let's suppose after selecting your product, you just have to copy the link of that product from here. So, I copy this link. And next, you have to come on canva.com. Make sure you have logged in your account on this platform. It also has free version and paid version. But make sure you have paid version for better results. I have paid account. Next, you have to search on the search bar, Pinterest, and then search here for Pinterest template. Next, you can see that there are many templates to use on Pinterest. Maybe you will not able to see all of these templates because maybe you are using free Canva version. But I am using the paid Canva. But you have to select one template. Let's suppose I want to select this one. When you click on this, you will receive a pop-up window. You can see that the name of this template is Aesthetic Fashion Save Instagram Template. You can also see the size of this picture, and you can also see that it is fully customizable. You can also share this on any platform. Now you have to click on Customize this template button. When you click on this button, you will see that you can customize this template here easily. Then after this, you have to enter the picture of your product. Next, go back to the Amazon affiliate program, and here you have to download the image of the product. And I want to save this on my download section, and the name is Amazon. Just save it and then come back to the Canva, and then here you have to upload the picture of your water bottle. Click on Upload button on the left side of the screen. And then click on Upload Files button, and here you have to open your image. And then upload your required product photo here. So it takes some time to upload. You can see that it's uploaded. Now you have to just double tap, and here you have to drag it. Next, you can see that there is background behind this image. What you have to do next? You have to come on the next tab and right here, remove background.bg. You will redirect to this website. Here you have to upload your image, and after you can see that the water bottle background is removed successfully. After this, you have to click on Download button, and your picture will be downloaded without any background. Now you have to come back to the Canva, and then you have to delete this one, and you also have to delete this image from here. You can see that this image is deleted, and this is the image frame. Now you have to again click on Upload File button, and then you have to select one of them, and then you can see that now the water bottle background is removed. Now you can see that the written word here, you can delete this one, and then you just have to enter the price on which you want to sell, and then click on Share button on the upper right corner of the screen. Next, click on Download button, and then click on Download button again to download image. After doing all of the settings of your required product, you have to come on Pinterest. Here you have to make sure you have logged in your account and make sure you have well-designed account on Pinterest. Here you can see that there is the view of Pinterest, and after this you have to click on your account button right here, and after this you can see that there is the overview of my account, but this is my demo account, not a professional account. I just created this account for you. Now you have to click on Created button, and here you have to click on Create Idea and button. You can see that here you have to list the product which we have created on the Canva. Now you have some options here like choose a file or drag and drop it here. Make sure you have good quality image to attract more viewers on your product. But in the below side, you can also see another thing that is looking to create pins from a website link instead. It means if you want to link any website here, you can link from here. You just have to click on Save URL button, and then you can also link in this platform. But you have to come back to the Pinterest. And here we are going to list our product. So click on this button, and here you have to choose a product. So I want to choose this bottle, and then you have to click on Open button. And here you have to first write your product title. So enter the attractive title. I write here water bottle. You can see that I done. But if you want to write more, I suggest you to write more about your product in the description, like best water bottle to use. You can write a good description about your product. You can also use ChatGPT to create a best description. So let's go and create a good description with ChatGPT. Now you can see that here is my ChatGPT account. Make sure you have an account on ChatGPT to create this. So I write here, write a water bottle description to sell. Now click on enter and ChatGPT will give you a highly engaging description about your product. Now you just have to copy according to your choice and according to your limits. Then copy it and come back to the Pinterest. You have to enter the description. You can see that this is a very important description, but this gives you only the 500-word limit. So just delete exceeding the limit words. Now you have to click on Details section. Here is 4 options: ingredients, supply, notes, or none. You can choose one of them. So I click on none. Then you have to enter the link of your Amazon affiliate product. I go back to the Amazon and copy the link. You can also copy the link from your account and paste it here. Then you have to enter the tag. Let's suppose I write here a water bottle, then best bottles, then water. You can also add according to your product. Make sure you have maximum tags according to your product. After this, you have to click on Publish button on the upper right corner of the screen. Now you can see that warning of the pin machine. Here is your product is uploading on Pinterest. Now you have to open your Pinterest account, and here you can see that your listed products are here. And you can see that this one is the water bottle that we have listed just before a minute. If you want to see the analytics of this post, then click on this post. And here you can see that different options like impression, pin clicks, and saves. It means my post doesn't have any impression right now. This is because I just uploaded this image a minute ago. And next one is pin clicks. And next one is saves button. It means how many people have saved your image or product or your post in favorite section. Next one, you can see that option is see more stats. You can click on this button and here you will see the more stats about your products. Here is many options like follower profile visits. It means how many people visit your profile after watching your post. And next one is outbound clicks. The number of clicks to the destination you added associated with your link. It means how many people have clicked on your link to buy the product from Amazon. Now there is one more option, which is follow button. It means how many people have followed you after watching this product. Now you have to come back to the main page, and here you can see that 3 options. Here you have many options like download, image deport, and you can use it according to your choice. And next you can see that Amazon.com button. So here it is telling you that this product is linked with Amazon.com. You can see that I am redirected to my listed product. Now I will give you 2 tips to sell product through Pinterest. First is create eye-catching visuals. Pinterest is a visual platform, so your images need to be compelling and attention-grabbing. Use high-quality, well-lit images that showcase your product from various angles. Consider creating custom graphics or infographics that provide valuable information about your product. Design pins that align with popular trends, color schemes, and aesthetics on Pinterest. The goal is to make your pins stand out and encourage users to click on them. Second is craft engaging descriptions. The description you provide for your pins is crucial for capturing users' interest. Write clear and concise descriptions that highlight the key features and benefits of your product. Use relevant keywords and phrases that your target audience might search for. Incorporate a call to action that encourages users to learn more, click through to your website, or make a purchase. Keep in mind that storytelling and emotional appeal can also resonate well with Pinterest users.